guys, welcome back to the General's Workshop. Traditionally on this channel, you'll see us doing a variety of organizational projects / woodworking projects. But today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm taking the apron off and I'm going to bring you with me on this little trip. Where are we going, you might ask? Pleasant Hills, of course. Let's go. Whoa, this one's light.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear.
There's definitely something magical about this season, you guys. Something in it for me. When you think about Christmas, for me, I think about the glow of the lights. I think about the hum of quiet anticipation, right? It is the season itself, I think, is wanting to reach out and whisper to you if you're willing to listen. For me, it takes me back. Golly, it takes me back. I remember just in my mom's house, she would set up and work on hours on these little village sets. This little village set, snow-covered towns with little houses, shops, and lampposts that would twinkle in the dark. And I remember I would just get lost in them. I would imagine myself, and I would imagine the people in that world that would just be doing their thing and wondering what are the stories of those people who lived in those little villages. This year, I decided to bring some of the magic into my shop. Now, for those of you who run a full-time business out of your shop, I understand you're probably cringing right now. But guess what? I wonder how any of this, and you're probably wondering, how would any of this work to decorate your shop? Well, in my particular case, I'm not a full-time business. I get to do this for fun. So in addition to all my projects, we also host different functions out here. And let's be honest, for me, this is a man cave as well. So I love kind of getting out here, warming up next to the fire, and just doing my thing. This is a great setup for those three combinations. And I get it. Having this is maybe not the most practical setup when it comes to organizing, woodworking, all the above. But here's the thing. For me, Christmas isn't just about practicality. And what I've done is, if you notice, most of what I've set up is in the non-essential work areas, if you will, as far as the shop is concerned itself. So the heart of the shop, where the real work happens, is still fully functional. This lets me create my own version of Santa's workshop. A space where creativity and the Christmas spirit can thrive side by side. I wanted this shop to be more than just a place where things get built. I want it to be a place where inspiration and joy are just as at home as my tools and my projects. Because for me, Christmas isn't just about being practical. It's about taking a step back and remembering why we create in the first place. Welcome to General's Workshop.
While the snow is gently falling, we keep busy until late. 'Cause tomorrow keeps on calling, and the red man will not wait. So we better get to move on. Let's bring on the evergreens. Keep the chimney clean, you
Hey guys, from the General's Workshop to yours, I want to wish you guys an incredible holiday season, and I wanted to say Happy Thanksgiving and Merry Christmas.